What's happening, guys? Shannon from SP88. Yeah, I ain't posting in a long time, but I got something for you guys. Let's just start the car. Yeah, so if the Audi does that turn up, that means you got the right one. Yeah. Alright, so you got the daytime running lights. But this one is gone yellow. That one's fresh. This one's yellow. It looks way worse at night. New chip for the DRL. Hopefully it's going to be good. I think it's this. Yeah. This little chip could save me a lot of money. Because I really couldn't sell this car for decent money with the light like that. Underneath the engine bay, I got the 2-litre diesel. Gave it a little jet wash the other day. Didn't break anything, still good. Right, so just inside of that hole there is where I believe I need to get to. So I'm gonna have to take the front bumper off, or just pull this section so I can slide the headlight out, and then we'll change that chip. To take the headlight, to take this bumper off, I will take 3 screws from here. This will be 3 screws underneath in like similar positions, similar type of bolts as well. And then in the wing here, I think it's going to be like a 10mm or maybe like a Torx or something. Anyway, when I get there, I'll show you. We get the jack out and jack it up. Go lift this side out so I can get underneath the car to undo the screws. So yeah, you got to jack it up, but you don't need to be in the air. Now that it's jacked up like that, we can see what we need to do. Alright, so we've got some screws in there to undo. That'll free up the bumper. Alright, so before I got to removing the side bolts, I've started with these ones at the top. I've got 3 of them there. I've got 1 there for the headlight, 1 there for the headlight, 1 else in there. And it's so close, because the headlight would nearly come out now. But it's just been held down there somewhere. Yeah. So we're moving on underneath the car now. We'll take them bolts out. Right, so underneath the car, you start from here. We got the wheel arch trim, yeah. So you got 1 screw there to the T25s, 1 there, and straight away you got a big T30 there. That's from there to there. And following it along, there's another one that was in here. So not that one. This one, I believe it was. And there's another one from there. So then this bit starts separating from that bit. Alright, I'll take this one out now. Alright, so I've taken out these T25 screws, and then behind there, just up here like so, there's going to be a T30. Get some WD-40 and put it on the top of that bolt. If you can get it in. Yeah. Take that bolt out. You just want to like peel this bit and then pop it forward like that. And there's your bumper off. You don't want it to come all the way off because we're just doing a quick replay on this light. So where's that other screw, which is right down in there, and that's the last screw to get the headlight out. So that's not the end of it. To take the headlight off now, you've got to take this. Alright, so to get the light out, the final bit is taking this out. Yeah, got just 1 more T30, I believe. See, this bolt here was hard work. I don't want you guys to snap it. You're gonna have to like come in and out, in and out, in and out, and add the WD-40. When it gets too tight, tighten it up, tighten it back up, undo it. When it gets stiff on you, turn it, go back the other way, and keep putting WD-40. Because if you break this, then this whole thing is gonna mess up, and then you won't have a straight bumper anymore. Alright, so with that bit off now, which was there, the headlight's gonna come out. Alright, we got a plug and that's it. So this front bumper hasn't been off before, so I know it, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna be how it's supposed to be. So I'm just gonna get a few shots of behind this bumper. You see, like, this pipe here connects. Well, battery's too low to flash anyway. To just right there. That little bung thing stays there. The ambient temperature sensor is there. You know, because I'm going to be buying more and more of these cars in the Cat S and Cat N's. Trying to learn my trade in salvage cars on these. Alright, so I'm going to undo these two screws here, and I expect to get to my chip. Alright, so you got the two T20s now, so I've gone from T30. Be careful, there's a hole down there. You don't want to lose your screws down there. Alright, that's all the screws that I've had to remove to get this job done here. Alright. Whoa. Got some burnt out chip, man. And a little bit of damage to my tube. So they say that this damage to the tube causes an issue. So I'm just going to try and cut it out cleanly. Because I can see it's like a polished edge. So I don't want to sand it. Okay, so this is our chip. This is like a T15 or T10 screw now. And it's looking like it's probably even stuck down with some heat resistant glue. I don't know what, I don't have anything to replace that with, to be fair. Got a little bit of silicone I can put on there. Alright, so you see the part, it's a value unit. Probably manufactured in 2016. And these are the part numbers. Left TI. Right, so this is the new chip. You can see it's got no branding on it, and this is the original chip. So the problem I'm having now is this is properly stuck down onto this frame. So if you ain't got patience, probably buy the one with the frame. But see what happens. Yo, so this piece come off quite easily with a flat screwdriver if you pry it off, but it slightly bent the chip, like you can see, so yeah, be careful. Yeah, I skipped a bit, sorry guys, I was talking and I forgot. So I used some silicone black RTX, put it on the back. It's obviously wrong, sorry, I know it's wrong, but you can do the right thing. You've seen the process, and yeah, let's see if it works. Please. Oh, I didn't even clean the thing, so I'm gonna have to take it back out. But anyway, let's see if it works.
Yeah, you can have business check.
Alright, so that's it. It's not fixed. Yeah, look at the difference. It's still dull. Might be a little bit brighter, but I'm gonna take this out now and see if it's actually working at all. Alright, so this is the LED. So it has turned on, at least we know that, but it didn't really fix the problem. So I'm gonna go get a sharp blade and try and shave away that burnt bit on the light and see if that makes it better. Alright, so this is how it's looking now after a little cleanup with a sharp blade. It's a lot better, but still slightly down on brightness compared to the other side. I had a blade like this. Proper things, yeah, Germany blade. Let me open it up again and show you. Alright, so look at the situation here now. I probably didn't even record it, been distracted. You see, it's like I've scraped out the burn, and it's a little bit of like, imagine like a chip in a glass. That's what it's like. It's kind of creative. So I've scraped it out with the blade and a pick, and I've sprayed WD-40 to try and give it back like a clear ish image, but you can see I can't get it clean properly. But maybe some of you guys will make videos afterwards of this looking 10 out of 10, mate. That's my best shot. Put it back together now. Yeah, so this bumper, as far as I'm aware, has never been off, yeah. But there's a screw here that wasn't there that I've just noticed, and thank God as well, because that would have been an absolute pain. And I've definitely had the other side off and that wasn't there either, so I don't know, but who knows. If you were taking this off and it wouldn't come out, there's probably going to be a screw here as well. Alright, so that's the final result. So my son was crying, I had to run and see what happened, but I'll call it mission accomplished. I'm not going to cry about the fact that that one has probably like lost about maybe 10% of its brightness on that side. You guys probably can't even tell in the camera, but I can see like just what's this bit here, this area here is not as white. It seems like it's a bit yellow there, whereas on this side, but it works for the price. Very cheap, can't lie.